Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to show you one excellent opportunity to the UGC qualified candidates from the ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. So it will be the wonderful opportunity, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And here the multiple subjects are covered and the candidates who qualified the national eligibility test. So utilize this opportunity, guys. And here the range of the salary is from 31,000 rupees per month to 47,000 rupees per month. And if your subjects or requirement is not covered in this video, please don't worry. Mention your subject or requirement in the comment section. So based upon the comment I received, if I got any recruitment notification based upon your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Well, coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official notice released by the Indian Space Research Organization, and and I will provide the website link also in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and complete details, you first visit the official website of this one. So ISRO UA Rao Satellite Center, Old Airport Road, Bengaluru. So online applications are invited for engaging or offering of a junior research fellowship and a research associate at UA Rao Satellite Center. Okay, and the following files or documents in soft copies are mandatory to complete the online application form. First one is a color passport size photograph, and next one is a marks card of each and every semester for having the passed with the required percentage wherever is applicable in the qualifying examination to be attached as a single PDF. And next one is a net examination scorecard or something else. And while coming to the research associate, PhD is mandatory. Fine. So here the two different types of positions are there. They are the JRF as well as the research associate. So for JRF, net qualification is necessary, and for research associate, PhD qualification is necessary. Fine. And coming to the JRF here, so JRF 1, MSc in physics or engineering physics or optics or applied optics, and the net is compulsory, and the area of work or else the job specification was mentioned here, and the mode of selection is the interview. Next one is JRF 2, same, MSc in physics, applied physics or solid state physics plus net is compulsory. And next one JRF 3, one vacancy is there. MSc in physics or material science or applied physics, or ME or MTech or equivalent in material science, and the candidates who qualified in a net are eligible to apply. And coming to the next one is JRF 4, 3 vacancies are there. MSc in physics or astrophysics or planetary science, and the net qualification is mandatory. And coming to the JRF 5, so total 4 vacancies are there. Out of this 2 vacancies are identified for the ISTRAC Bengaluru, and ME or MTech in electronics with digital design and a VHDL as subject, and the candidates must be qualified the national eligibility test. And coming to the JRF 6, 2 vacancies are there. MSc in chemistry plus net qualification. And the JRF 7, 2 vacancies are there. ME or MTech in computer science or artificial intelligence or machine learning or data analytics, net is compulsory. And next one JRF 8, 1 vacancy, ME or MTech in optoelectronics or instrumentation plus net. And coming, these are all the JRF positions, guys. Total nearly 18 vacancies are there. Okay, and whatever the area of work or else the job specifications are also mentioned here, and the interview will be done. There is no written examination. Okay, direct interview, guys. And coming to the research associate, 2 vacancies are there. One is in PhD in physics or optics or applied physics or optoelectronics. If the PhD is not there, then having the 3 years of research, design, teaching and design and development experience after post graduation in these specializations. The same mentioned in the research associate to 1 vacancy. So 3 years of research, teaching and design and development experience after post graduation with a degree or specialization in the solid state electronics with at least 1 research paper in Science Citation Index journal. So These are all the details regarding this notification, guys. If you already applied, then you can take the printout form of your application form. Okay, and coming to the education qualifications, as I already mentioned, but one more time, just check down here. For JRF 1246 positions, MSc or equivalent degree in first class with an aggregate 65% average of all semesters, or 6.84 CGP or CPA on a 10-point scale. The candidate who are qualified in NET or NET equivalent examinations are only eligible to apply. And coming to the position number JRF 5, 7 and 8, MTech, ME or MTech, first class with 60% or CGPA or CPA grading of 6.5 on the 10 scale, and NET qualification is necessary. And coming to the JRF 3, MSc or equivalent degree in first class with an aggregate 65% of marks, or else 6.84 CGPA. Okay, for ME or MTech, 60% is required and the NET qualification is necessary. And coming to the research associate one, a PhD in the relevant field, or else having the 3 years of whatever we discussed above, and 60% CGPA must be there, or else 6.5 on the 10-point scale. And NET or NET equivalent qualifications means any national eligibility examination conducted by the central government departments or agencies for admission to the PhD program are considered equivalent to the NET. Okay, the following are the list of examinations which can be equated to NET for the above positions. CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test, including the NET lecturership, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, that is a GATE, a Joint Admission Test, and the JEST. Okay, so if you are having the lecturership also, then you can apply for this one, guys. Okay, no problem. And even though if it is a UGC NET also, so you may apply. And age limit for JRF 28 years. 1/10/2021 by that one, and for research associate 35 years. Fellowship and stipends are provided here. So 31,000 2 years JRF duration. It may be extendable for further periods based upon the assessment of their work. Okay, so 31,000 rupees per month with the possibility to be increased to 35,000 rupees per month as SRF, and HRA is also provided. And coming to the for position of RA, 47,000 rupees per month is available, and initially for 1 year, and shall not exceed beyond the 3 years. Selection procedure, as I already mentioned at the interview, the call letters for the interview to the shortlisted candidates will be sent only by email, and the candidates who are working, they have to produce a no objection certificate. And how to apply means, the application for online registration will be hosted in the ISRO website itself. You have to go to the ISRO website and then go to the careers. Okay, from 11/9/2021 to 1/10/2021. Okay, so there you will get the online application form, so you have to apply through that one. Okay, so few more general conditions are given. Anyhow, these are the details, guys. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are having these qualifications and waiting for such type of opportunities. And if your subjects are not covered here, please mention your subjects in the comment section. Then if I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will do one video based upon your requirement. So to get my video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,